The importance of community in human life is well shown and well researched. We are social animals and we need to be around people all the time. That is how we evolved. We evolved living in communities of around 100 to 150 people, which is called the Dunbar's number. So we historically lived together in groups, and we lived as a tribe, and we hunted together. And this instinct to be in a group or a tribe is still very strong in these days. We The numerous research and studies have shown that community has a very positive role in our life. Many drug rehabilitation program and abstinence programs work with community. For example, Alcoholics Anonymous, which is a very well-known organization for abstinence, relies on community, relies on a group where all the members meet, all the recovering alcoholics meet together and work as a group. Apart from this, there are depression groups, there are survivor groups, and even in religions, the role of community is really prominent. For example, in Buddhism, there are three jewels. One is the Buddha, another is the Dharma, and the third one is the Sangha. So the Sangha is the community of monks or nuns or lay persons. And it has been shown that when we are in a community, our immunity gets strengthened, and we also acquire herd immunity to many diseases. So apart from this, community also improves our mood, being in a community. And modern life has made people come together in many ways because of the power of the internet. There are many online communities called forums. Apart from this, physical communities where there is physical bonding, physical touch and physical chemistry involved is really beneficial. There are numerous sports communities, people who practice some sport together, they flock together, they practice together, and they band together. And community is definitely one of the things which enriches our life. And it's also a modern problem that humans are more lonely than ever before. Now we are getting more and more sort of disbanded and away from each other as far as physical intimacy and physical touch is concerned. We are very much touch starved today. We are very much community starved. Loneliness is one of the biggest problems the modern society, the modern great civilization faces today. People are much more lonelier than they ever were, and we really need to figure out a solution for all this, because community is one of the most positive things we form as humans, and it could really have a positive role in human development, in development in adolescents, in development as a society, to make sure that our society is strong at a fundamental level, that we have good values, that we are crime free. So in all this, community has a very good role to play, as there is a old Russian proverb, it takes a village to raise a child. So it's very true that community helps in all this. And apart from this, community and physical exercise is really great. People who suffer from depression often lack a community, and exercise is also prescribed as a first line of defense against depression in many countries. And when you involve community and sports or exercise together, it's really beneficial for improving the mood. And there was an artist who went to Africa, and he lived with one of the last surviving hunting gatherers who were present on this planet, and he asked them what was the moment or the day that you felt happiest in your lives. and most of them responded that they felt happiest when they hunted for the whole group. They hunted a big animal, big game for the whole tribe, and they brought it back together. That was the day in which they felt the happiest. So it shows how we have been built to sort of hunt together in a group, and that really activates something primeval and dopamine inducing in our system and really makes us happy. So uh, this is one of the positive aspects of community, and I hope like we all work together as a goal to make a lasting community in a life that really helps in old age when a lot of people are lonely. And as we see even in the Western society, loneliness remains one of the biggest problems. Most of us are lonely in our lives, and we really need to counter and remedy this in some way. As Kurt Vonnegut Jr. says, the biggest challenge of our lives is to form lasting, stable communities, and I really believe so.